Hey guys, so I know you haven't seen us in a very long time, but I am about to dye Felicia's hair. Hey! Hopefully it comes out. Um, we're gonna use the Cream of Nature Exotic Shine color with argan oil from Morocco, and the color is Intensive Red 7.6. So hopefully comes out pretty good. How you feeling?
Kind of nervous because I've never had color in my hair before, but I'm excited at the same time.
So wish us luck. Okay guys, so our hair is part into like 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna mix the color now. They said to put this, the cream gel hair color, into this. This is actually an applicator bottle that it came with. So, gonna mix that up. Hold it away from your face and shake. Okay, I think I shake enough, and that's how it looks. Caress the hair. Comment or like if you watch before as well. Get it in there real nice. Lovely hair. So let me, I forgot we only have one bottle. Yes guys, we got one bottle. We're taking a risk here. We're young and reckless. Young and wild and free. Okay, so unfortunately we lost the rest of the footage, but we left it in for about 35 minutes and then washed it out with a little bit of shampoo. I'd say probably you should not wash it out with shampoo, even though the directions said so. I think if you just wash it out and condition it, the color would remain in a little longer, I guess. But overall, the color came out okay. Not exactly what she wanted, but it's a good start, and yeah, I hope our mistakes help you in some way, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!